GH5 Pro, made by Hohan, is a 3-axis stabilization gimbal that is designed to make your GoPro footage smoother and more cinematic. So let's see how well it does. To start off, the gimbal works with the GoPro 5, 4, 3, and all other similar sized action cameras. You can safely secure your GoPro in the metal mount, which has a slim padding so you won't scratch your camera, but keep in mind not to over tighten the screws as it will leave a mark regardless. Once mounted, you'll notice right away that unlike some gimbals, with the GH5 Pro, the mode button as well as the record button are easily accessible without having to move the camera. This is a particularly useful feature for when you need to change shooting modes on the GoPro. We were also quite impressed by the travel case in which the gimbal comes. Everything is neatly arranged and you can even pad it close with the GoPro attached. Inside, you'll be able to add GoPro batteries or additional gimbal batteries by simply removing some of the foam pack. Battery-wise, the GH5 Pro comes with a 2600 mAh battery that should last up to 6 hours, and when using a fast charger, the charge time ranges between 2 to 3 hours. But you can buy aftermarket batteries that can last for quite longer, and changing them couldn't be any easier, as you can see here.
Make your camera an extension of yourself. Welcome to the world of the GP Pro, the 3-axis camera stabilizer that is changing the way experiences are captured and viewed. The days of shaky handheld video are over. The GP Pro produces jaw-droppingly smooth shots and allows you to take the story to the next level. Its compatibility with the most popular action games means you are free to shoot with the camera of your choice. The GP Pro sets the standard for durability using the highest quality materials. The GP Pro is built to last. Take control of your shot using a 4-way joystick that allows you to adjust your camera's tilt, pan, and roll angles. The different shooting modes allow you to replicate the same dolly and crane shots seen in multi-million-dollar productions. Extend your reach and get above the crowd without using a drone. The industry standard quarter-20 thread on the bottom of the GP Pro allows for easy, on-the-fly extensions with a variety of poles, tripods, and monopods. Don't let your creativity be limited by battery life. The GP Pro uses interchangeable and rechargeable batteries that provide up to 5 hours of runtime. It also is compatible with in-camera charging. It's time to expand your cinematic abilities with the Evo Gimbal for GP Pro. Keep it smooth, my friend. Keep it smooth.
Stabilization is one of those things that once you see the video from it, you understand why. Karma will give you a world-class stabilizer to ensure that you get the best stable shots possible in the air and on the ground. The Karma Grip enables you to take the stabilizer from your Karma drone, place it on the Karma Grip, and use it for super steady, buttery smooth handheld footage on the ground. No matter what movement you do with your body or your skateboard or your car, it creates a perfectly stabilized. It enables someone to capture the footage of someone walking, have it be the smoothest, highest quality footage ever. And then the Karma Grid becomes an extension of your GoPro. It gives you the ability to start, stop the camera, change your camera mode, change the stabilizer. You can highlight your best moments on the camera. Provide 2 hours of battery life after the year. And furthermore, you can take the Karma Grid and mount it to the full GoPro ecosystem. That means you can take a beautiful stabilized image by mounting it onto even the Karma case that the system comes with, or you can put it onto a bike, a car, you can put it onto a helmet. Focus on creating just a flying camera. Set up to make a system that allows you to capture the best GoPro footage ever.
You can now get that smooth cinematic quality with ease by using the Remoview S1, the smartest gimbal for GoPro cameras. The Remoview S1 is a 3-axis stabilizing gimbal manufactured with world-class brushless DC motors and rotary sensors. The S1 delivers extremely stable professional shots in any kind of activity. The S1 removes unwanted movements and vibrations, resulting in buttery smooth footage. The RemoView S1 is the world's first handheld and mountable gimbal. The S1 hand grip can easily be detached from the S1 body, transforming the S1 into a mountable gimbal that can be attached to any GoPro-compatible mounting system. The S1 can be mounted anywhere a GoPro can be mounted. You can mount the S1 on your body, a helmet, a pole, a bike, or anywhere a GoPro can be mounted.
Please subscribe to our channel and do not forget to press the bell icon.
You can use the S1 remote control joystick to control the camera's orientation. The joystick can be detached from the S1 hand grip for further ease of use. Control the camera's pan and tilt positions from a distance or while the gimbal is in your hand. The RemoView S1 has two OLED displays which indicate the gimbal's current mode and the S1 battery level. These OLED displays are both on the S1 body and the S1 remote control joystick, so that you can always see what mode you're in. You can easily change the gimbal's mode to pan, follow, and lock mode, or use the inverted mode for those low angle shots. Additionally, the S1 is the world's first rainproof gimbal for GoPro cameras. The motors in the S1 body are specifically designed to be water resistant. Together with the rainproof housing, you can use the S1 in the rain or snow and not worry about damaging your camera equipment. The RemoView S1 is the world's most innovative gimbal for GoPro cameras, designed for your comfort, ease of use, and versatility. Say goodbye to shaky, unstable footage and start capturing those special moments on the RemoView S1.
Across 4 generations of action camera gimbal, Feiyutech have been the top choice of over 2 million users in the world. With imagination and scientific innovation, we bring action camera video to a whole new level. The gimbals themselves are evolving ceaselessly. Today, we proudly introduce the G5, a 3-axis handheld gimbal for heroes beyond imagination. The G5 embodies our symbolic design language, built from highly strong aluminum alloy by precise CNC processing. For the first time, unibody motor arm is brought to action camera gimbals. The motor and arm crafted from a complete piece of metal-reduced conjunctions and maximize its overall solidness. The brushless motors dedicated to handheld gimbals achieve unprecedented quietness, smoothness, and power efficiency. The well-trusted long screw fixture secures your camera firmly and allows you to install quickly even in the dark. It can fit GoPro Hero 5, Hero 4, and other action cameras of similar sizes. The all-new counterweights are introduced to adjust the gravity center for cameras of various sizes and weight. The iconic control panel incorporates a 4-way joystick and add versatile function button. A special self-timer button allows for a pleasant selfie experience. Holding the self-timer button as the camera rotates towards the user.
GoPro, take photo.
Releasing it resumes the camera's direction. With Hero 5's voice control, its all-new selfie definition by optimizing design and processing relentlessly. The G5 is made splash-proof all over. You can enjoy surfing or walk by the sea with your action camera and your gimbal. This is truly revolutionary. The optimized software and selected power-intense battery extend the G5's runtime to an amazing 8 hours. You can charge the G5 with a power bank via its USB port. You don't even need backup batteries. The 2/4 screw ports on the G5 make room for unlimited expansion, with all compatible accessories to expand your ways and reach of filming. The reverse mode will inspire your low-level filming. All these enormously great features can be easily packed into a padded case for your convenient everyday carry. Connected to the G5, the all-new FY Settings app enables features like remote control, auto calibration, firmware upgrade, gimbal configuration. The fun goes way beyond imagination. This is exactly the gimbal every action camera user wants.